Today I will teach you how to add signature, personal or company signature in Webmail. Follow the guidelines step by step. First of all, log into your Webmail account. Open When Webmail is open, then go to the settings. Click on compose messages. Then see these settings. Compose HTML message always. Forget this option automatically adds signature. Click on always. You will see never, but you have to click on always. Then check all these three. Check it, then save. After that, click on the identities. Click the email where you want to add your signature. It may be a personal or company signature. Then click on signature. Here you can see then I have a copy of my signature. Copy and paste. I will go to this bold and increase the length of this. Here I will add logo. How to add the logo? Click on these three dots. You will see the image button. Click on the image, then copy the image address, paste on this source, click and save. You can adjust the height and width of this image. I will go to as it is. Save. Successfully saved the settings. Now I will verify this signature added or not. I will go to compose. Yes, this is the signature message you can attach with Webmail. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.